So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Moen 3/4 horsepower garbage disposal, and we did not purchase this. This was purchased by the owner, and my camera's on the left, so I can't get over there and take a picture, but over there you can see it's a 3/4 horse. Anyways, they purchased it. It's sitting right here. Moen, the EX75C 3/4 horse. Anyways, so we pulled it all out. It had a bunch of handicap wrap on there, and these have doors on, which means this is does not need to be accessible ADA. There's no wheelchair rolling into here. It's got these little covers on down here, doors swing closed, so it doesn't need handicap wrap. If you'd like to reinstall it, certainly you're free to do so. But the reason for handicap wrap is that in the event you have hot water going down the line and someone rolls in here in a wheelchair and it touches their knees and they get burned, then you have a lawsuit on your hands. So that doesn't happen. Number one, the doors are on there, and this is not for ADA. But you can, just to hedge your bets a little bit, if you'd like to, go ahead. It's just some foam wrap, comes in a roll, it's like 2 inches wide, and it's sticky stuff. You wrap it around there. They also make kits that open up. They're made of like a vinyl or like a soft poly pipe, and that will it opens up and it snaps closed, so you can certainly wrap that. Anyway, so brand new P-trap, brand new disposal kit going over waste kit, brand new tailpiece, brand new nut on the basket strainer. Basket strainer is existing, that's not ours. The new mounting bracket here, that is ours. That came with the disposal, so we mounted that new putty on top. Disposal, everything's tight together down here, no leaks, burn lots of water down it, so it's good. A little loud, but it's a 3/4 horse, so it should be. Like I say, if you want to, you can see the wrap back there on the hot water line. That's ADA, so if you feel like it's worth it, just go right over to Lowe's. It comes in a 2-inch wide roll, probably 15 feet of it, and you can wrap this back up. Or like I say, it's easier just to get the kit that comes with it. Maybe a little more expensive, but it's like a very thick vinyl that snaps, it unsnaps, and you open it up, slide it on, and then it snaps closed, and it protects that. So you can do that if you'd like. If not, like I say, it is enclosed, but since this is a commercial building, you might want to just go ahead and hedge your bets a little bit and get some insulation back on there. So anyways, outside of that, it's installation.